Ugh.
Did you know space has a smell? This might sound impossible since space is a vacuum, but astronauts consistently report the same weird odor when they come back inside from spacewalks. When astronauts remove their helmets after working outside the International Space Station, they describe their spacesuits smelling like hot metal, welding fumes, and seared steak all mixed together. It's such a distinctive smell that every astronaut who's done a spacewalk mentions it. But how can space have a smell if there's no air? The answer lies in tiny particles created by dying stars billions of miles away. These microscopic bits of matter, called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, are floating throughout space. When astronauts work outside, these particles stick to their spacesuits. When they come back inside and remove their helmets, these space particles interact with the air and moisture in the space station, creating that distinctive metallic smell. It's literally the smell of dying stars from across the galaxy. The particles are created when massive stars explode as supernovas or when they shed their outer layers at the end of their lives. These stellar death throes scatter complex carbon-based molecules throughout space. So when astronauts smell space, they're actually smelling the remnants of ancient stars. Some astronauts compare it to the smell of arc welding or hot metal being worked in a forge. Others say it reminds them of the ozone smell after lightning strikes. A few have described it as similar to the smell of a NASCAR race. Hot metal, burning fuel, and electrical equipment all mixed together. UEDE, these particles stick to their spacesuits. This cosmic smell is so consistent that NASA has actually tried to recreate it in laboratories to help train astronauts for what they'll experience. They want future space travelers to be prepared for this strange sensory experience. It's amazing to think that we can literally smell the universe. That the death of stars billions of miles away creates particles that eventually make their way to our spacesuits, giving us a direct sensory connection to the cosmos.